video. So today we'll be going over this Pyle PDIC 8-inch ceiling speaker. I can't remember the full model of this as I only have one. And okay, so at the thrift store, there were 6 of them at the thrift store, and basically they were $13 each. That's really expensive from when I bought those Polk Audio ceiling speakers. So yeah, I only bought one because it was so expensive. If it would have been like $4 or $5, I probably would have bought 2, so I could have. But yeah, I might upload this video first because I bought this recently, and yeah. But you can see it's an 8-inch ceiling speaker, so it's big. My hands are pretty big, so if y'all know me in real life, then yeah, y'all know how big the ceiling speaker is because my hands are unusually huge. So yeah, it's pretty big, and yeah, as you can see, it's plastic. The basket of the speaker is plastic also, which is very cheap. Pyle is cheap. It's not the best speaker to buy. I wouldn't spend however much this was on Amazon for an 8-pack. I would not spend that much money for it. These are only really worth $20 because they're plastic, and it's really just not. They don't even include components to like. They don't have the components like a Polk Audio does. But yeah, it doesn't even really sound that good when you compare it to the Polk Audio, which I'll be a video coming up soon. You'll see that the Pyle does not sound really good. It doesn't sound good compared to the Polk Audio. Polk Audio actually blows this out the water, but that's in a different video. But yeah, I can't show you it. I can't really show you. I taped the box, so I can't. It's a plastic speaker grill, basically. Speaker basket. And if you really want to see what it looks like, go on my post. And yeah, you should be able to see it. So yeah, now we're going to do an audio test on it. So yeah, let's get to the video. Let's get to the Alright guys, once again for audio, we'll be using this. This is called, by that guy, this is by another one, YouTube Audio Library. I'm sorry I'm stuttering so much. But this is by a different YouTuber, but yeah, it's a YouTube Audio Library, so I shouldn't get copyright for it. And they should automatically put the credits in the video, so yeah, let's get to it. In case you're wondering, that distorted sound is part of the song. It's not the speaker. Alright, that's an audio test of it. Now, the reason it sounds so distorted, that's just the song, because I listened to it on my phone before. It sounds real distorted. That's probably not a very good test song to do. But yeah, I'm to let you know, that's the distorted sounds coming from the music. Because yeah, when I played it on my phone, it sounded the exact same way. So yeah. But yeah, you can see, this thing handles up to 250 watts of power, and that's the peak power you can handle, 250 watts. So yeah, that's the peak power you can handle. Do I believe it? I don't know. If you want to get one of these, you can test that. But yeah, surprisingly, it don't have as much bass as a Polk Audio. But yeah, it don't have that much bass. if you compare it between a polka idol has a lot of bass. This thing surprisingly don't have that much bass. For it being 8-inch, it don't have that much bass to it. I was expecting it to have a lot of bass since it's an 8-inch speaker, but no, it don't. It really kind of lacks bass. But yeah, it's definitely a big speaker, but it don't have that much bass to it. That's an honest review of it too. And plus, Pyle is not a very good brand. If you think about it, it's really not. It's cheap. This is a plastic speaker with a plastic basket. Like, come on now. It does sound decent when you're not comparing it to another speaker, but when you compare it to a polka idol speaker, the polka idol blows it out the water. But yeah, that is the Pyle PDIC, whatever else model it is. The bigger model is on the back, but I can't remember what it was. But yeah, it's the PDIC 8-inch cylinder speaker. I got it at thrift store for $13, and yeah, that was the audio test. Thank you for watching today's video. Like, subscribe, and peace. Just to prove it wasn't the speaker distorting, I will play this one again. Here, there's no distortion. So yeah, it was just that song, that instrumental I played.